Now we're going to look at shortcut key combinations. If, like me, you prefer to use the keyboard where possible, then you can use what are called key combinations to perform common tasks. Keyboard combinations, or shortcut key combinations, consist of a sequence of keys which together perform a certain action in the program. For example, a common keyboard combination shortcut in any program is Ctrl+S. Now what this means is you press the Control key down, and then the plus means you keep it pressed, and then the S means you press the S key. And this shortcut key set will save your current document without changing the file name. So if I click on boat1.rep to select it, and then I hold down the Control key and then press S, then I get the save, or in this case the save as option. And the reason why it's asked me to save as is because it won't let me overwrite this structured XML format. So I'm just going to cancel that. But if I did save this file with a new name, then I can just keep saving it, Ctrl+S each time. There we go. So I'm just going to cancel that. If I wanted to save the document with a new file name, or save as it's commonly known, then the shortcut key combination is Alt-FA. So I press the Alt key. This time I can release it. And then I press the F key, and then I press the A key, and then I get the save as. And I can then save the file with a new name. And also mentioned in an earlier video was how to use Ctrl+3 to access the navigator view. Not that you'll need it that much if you prefer the mouse, as is right up there on the Files toolbar now. But how we find out what the shortcut keys are? If I press the Alt key, look at the menu bar. As soon as I press the Alt key, the File menu item is selected. If you look at the first letter of each of the menu items, you'll see it's underlined. Now that underlined letter is the key press that you need to select. So if I want to edit, I press E. If I want to run, I press R. Alt-R. Chart features, Alt-C. And so on and so forth. So, if I wanted to view a grid on my boat1 rep plot, I would click on the tab to select it, make it the active plot, and then I press Alt-C-G, and now you can see the grid has been added to the boat1.rep plot editor. You'll also notice that the grid hasn't been added to the boat2.rep file, because each plot editor is a separate entity and you need to add objects to each one in turn. In some drop-down menus, you'll also see a pre-programmed keyboard combination next to the more popular commands. For example, in the File menu, you can access this by just pressing Alt-F. If I press the Escape key, it closes, or I can also press Alt+F, hold the Alt key down and press the F key. And then if I look down at the menu items, I can see that there are these shortcut combinations on the right side. And most of these are common to any Windows application, so if you learn them, then you can use them across a multitude of platforms to improve your efficiency. So seeing as we've just added a grid to our plot, we'll look at chart features in the next video.